ब्रेक के बाद एक बार फिर से आप सभी का बहुत बहुत स्वागत है और अब वक्त है इस खूबसूरत शाम के दूसरे पड़ाव का। कभी कभी कुछ अनुभव ऐसे होते हैं जिन्हें शब्दों में बयां करना आसान नहीं होता, उन्हें बस महसूस किया जाता है। आज की शाम के दूसरे हिस्से की शुरुआत में हमें कुछ ऐसा ही एक्सपीरियंस करने का मौका मिल रहा है जिसको बयां करने के लिए शब्द कम पड़ रहे हैं। अपनी जोरदार तालियों के साथ स्वागत कीजिए सात्विक वीणा के उस्ताद तंत्री सम्राट पंडित सलिल विश्व मोहन भट्ट जी का।
Very, very good evening to one and all. It's such a privilege, it's such an honor to be here, invited by News 18 India, Amrit Ratna Award Ceremony. I have brought my own creation, the Satvik Veena, for all of you here tonight. I'm also going to get awarded, so this was not planned, and believe it or not, we are coming straight from the last end of our country, Kerala, Thiruvananthapuram. The flight got delayed because of the satellite launch at Sriharikota, Assam, and that had to alter the schedules. There were some factors which are beyond us so many times. This time, this day, it was the satellite, but everything which is related to the progress of the country comes first. Desh pehle, baki sab baad mein. So, no complaints at all. I am extremely honored here that News 18 India, they've given us an opportunity. Please also put your hands together for the wonderful percussionist Pranshu Chaturlal. Both our families have their legacies of generations and generations coming from hundreds of years. We have inherited this art from our guru, from our previous generations. It comes very slowly. It takes quite a lot of time. You have to devote your entire life if you want to enter into the realm of the classical Indian music, whose roots are not hundreds but thousands and thousands of years old. Veena, as you see, this is my expression. I got inspired by the Mohan Veena of my Guruji, Grammy Award winner Padma Bhushan Pandit Vishwa Mohan Bhatt Ji is my Guru. He's my father, and he created Mohan Veena and Vishwa Veena, and I got inspired, and this is the Satvik Veena. It looks like a guitar. It's a one body whole without any joint. This is the breakthrough which I could make, because every instrument has joints and they create problems in the course of time. So once again, thanking News 18 India, we begin our performance. We'll doing some extempore stuff in Rageshwariya, wonderful evening melody, beautiful raga, melodious raga. And we are trying out various things. It's all extempore. Pranshu just came in, as all of you saw. He was also coming from Bengal. I'm coming from Kerala, and we are here, right here at the heart of the nation. Once again, thank you very much. I begin my performance, Rag Rageshwari. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you so much for your time. And thank you so much for appreciating our music. That was Rageshwari, a pentatonic rag. And I think with this, we conclude our performance. Thank you once again. Thank you once again, News 18 India. Thanks once again. I'm really, really honored. Thank you so much.